Are you looking for the best spade bits? In this video, we will break down the top 6 spade bits on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Hi there! Here at Tools Informer, we're a group of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new and trending products to create a list of top picks with a buying guide for every category based on product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the product links down below in the description. And please, like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews and buying guides regularly.
At number 1. Irwin 1792761 Spade Bits. This is a Blue Groove Pro drill bit set. This set comes with 17 pieces, so you're sure to find a bit for every occasion. The Blue Groove point and cutting edge boasts chip removal up to 4 times faster than their competitors' spade bits. Each bit also comes with a large shank that adds a lot of durability to these pieces. Also, all of the flat bits will fit into standard quick change chucks, which means you don't need an expensive upgrade. This means that these bits are also very convenient when it comes to changeovers. The extra engineering done by the guys at Irwin means that each paddle bit has a hex shank. These special shanks keep slippage at a minimum in the chuck, resulting in a more efficient transfer of power. At number 2. Bosch NS 5006 Spade Bits. These nail strike wood boring bits are the first wood boring bits to power through nail embedded wood. The bit features a reamer edge made of tough, reinforced steel that cuts through up to 30 nails. Each bit has a fully threaded cone tip that pulls it through the wood, offering best-in-class speed through 2x4s. Also, these bits are ideal for boring clean holes through wood fast to run conduit or pipe. The contoured paddle design also enhances chip removal, contributing to the fast performance. The hex shank with power groove reduces bit slippage in the drill and makes it suitable for use with a variety of drill types, including impact drills. These bits should not be used in a drill press and are not intended for counterboring or doweling. At number 3. DeWalt DW1587 Spade Bits. The 6 commonly used high-performance wood spade bits, Max Life Corner that preserves nail life, the Extreme Speed channel for efficient chip removal, and a 1/4 inch ball groove shank for quick bit changes. Also, these are very high-quality bits at a good price, come in a nice vinyl pouch which is nice for keeping them organized. They bore splinter-free, fast, and smooth. These bits have the nice hex shank, would also chuck into the impact drill driver. You can get a perfectly flat bottom with no tear out of the material. There is also no burning, which you have with dull cheaper bits. At number 4. Anson Tools and 303 Spade Bits. For your 1/4 inch or larger power drill, you can consider using this set of spade bits. They are longer than most other series of bits, measuring around 12 inches each. This set provides you with 6 different nominally sized spade bits ranging from 3/8 inch to 1 inch. The length offered in this set makes it a good candidate for use with drywall or plywood. However, the downside of this set is that there are conflicting reviews, some of which are about the quality of the bits. Even with that in mind, this set is to be well worth it if you need the extra length. At number 5. WorkPro 13-piece Spade Bits. This spade drill set comes with 13 pieces and a convenient nylon storage pouch. Their set comes with sizes ranging from 1/4 inch all the way up to 1/2 inch. These bits are made from polished heat-treated carbon steel. This means longer life and higher durability for you. One of those is a double-sided cutting edge which makes for quick and effortless drilling. Another cool feature is their quick change hex shank, which means you can use a quick change chuck for these bits. This shank also helps to reduce the slipping in your chuck and prevents the bit from falling out of your drill. It also added extra measures to help remove chips quickly with their specially fluted tip. These bits are impressive, and they will fit into almost any drill chuck. At number 6. Irwin Spade Drill Bits. The set is made of durable molded ABS resin. The case includes a full-length metal hinge pin for maximum durability and long life, and bit identification is simple with easy-to-read size markings. The bits are quite sharp out of the box. The hinged plastic case that came with these bits is decent enough. Also, these bits make holes quickly and cleanly. Good quality, sharp spade blades, the ends are hexagon-shaped to prevent reduced slippage. These bits will not stay sharp or last that long with regular use. However, the price is low enough that they can be individually replaced as needed. The quick-release shanks are nice to use with a small impact driver. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feel.